everybody, and welcome back to our weekly cooking lesson. As last time we cooked something salty, today we will cook something sweet. We will cook real fluffy pancakes together. See you in the kitchen. These are all the things we need for our fluffy pancakes. First, a bowl, some salt, some butter, milk, some oil, some flour, some baking powder, as well as some sugar. You can also use the white sugar if you don't have a brown at home. Then one of the eggs. And to weigh it, we can take a normal cup. And also we need a small teaspoon and a big tablespoon. Okay, so I already put 1.5 cups of flour into this bowl. Now I will add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, now a half teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we can mix all these ingredients. Before adding the butter to our bowl, we need to melt it in the microwave, and I put 3 tablespoons of butter into this bowl. I took the butter out of the microwave. It has been in there for about 30 seconds, and now it's fluent, and we can add it to our bowl. So we will add now our butter. Then we will also add a cup of milk and a little bit more than a cup, like 1 cup and a quarter of a cup, and also 1 egg. Okay, and now we will mix it until it gets to a smooth dough. When the dough is smooth like this, it's ready to get fried in the pan. Okay, to start off in the kitchen, we will now put some oil in our pan. Just a little bit like this. And then we need to wait a little bit until it gets warm. And then we can add our first pancake. Put it in the middle of the pan. And to make it a little bit bigger, we can move the pan like this. And now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, so all the pancakes are done. They're ready to eat. Some recommendations. I would add some cinnamon, some sugar on top of it. And you can also use Nutella if you want to. So yeah, head is up.